Hello everyone, I am Akash Arak and we are starting up with a new series of NISM 15 Research Analyst. We are coming up with a full course and we welcome you all in this very first video. Today we will learn the primary role of research analyst in very simple terms. So imagine you have decided to buy a new phone. Okay, so what research you will do before buying a phone? First, you will see your budget, right? Then, in that price range, you will see which phone is better with good functions. Like you will see the camera, storage, battery life, you will see the phone design, audio quality, etc. Right? And at the end, by doing the proper research, you will decide which phone you need to buy. So in short, research helps to take right decision. Same work research analysts do that help their clients to take right investment decisions. Okay, how research analysts do research? They collect information from various sources and then they do analysis of that information. Then they process the information and comes to a conclusion. So research is very essential. Not only investments, it's a part of human life. Every day we take decision based on research that is done by ourselves or by someone else. So we can say a research analyst primary role is to do research and provide a report based on which investment decision could be taken. So for doing research, right information is very important. Now we will see from where research analyst collects the information. The first information which they consider is economic information like GDP growth, fiscal deficit, debt to GDP ratio, current account deficit, etc. This information they collect from government statistics and data provided by central government. They also consider data on global factors like currency exchange rates, commodity prices, bond yields, etc. So, this information is collected from international agencies such as International Monetary Fund, Asian Development Banks, which we call as ADB, World Bank, and Global Development Financial Institutions. So, they also consider information in industries or sectors. So, this information they collect from industry specific journals and publication. Fourth information which they collect is company specific information. So this information is collected from annual reports or by meeting the management of a company. So research analysts spend lot of time on collecting information and analyzing it and then makes a proper decision whether to buy, hold or sell a particular security. Now we will see the types of research analysts. So research analysts are defined by three things, that is nature of analysis they do, the coverage and use of the recommendation they provide. So now let us understand these three things one by one. First is nature of analysis, which means which type of analysis the research analyst is doing. It could be fundamental analysis, it could be technical analysis, quantitative analysis or qualitative analysis. Then that is coverage. So coverage means whether it is a company specific research, sector or industry specific research, it is a market research or it is a geographic research, right? So this comes under coverage. And the third thing is use of recommendation. Simply means whether research is used for investment decision, risk management or for trading strategies. So based on these three things research analysts decide. And now let us understand some of them. First is buy side analyst. So buy side analysts work for asset managers. Who are asset managers? Asset managers are mutual funds, hedge funds, alternate investment funds, etc. So buy side analyst research reports are only for internal consumption and are not available in public domain. Second is sell side analyst. So they work for brokerage firms. So the brokerage firms receives commission when securities are bought and sold. Sell side analyst research reports are available in public domain. Third type of research analyst is independent research analyst. So independent research analysts work for themselves or for small independent research firms. They provide customized research reports on specific requests of clients. They generate reports and sell this valuable research to other companies or individual clients, usually through subscription, which means client pay a fees to access the valuable research and make better investment decision. So apart from these three main categories, entities such as newspapers, media, and consolidator of information also provide research reports. So now we will understand who are the consolidators of information. So consolidator of information are companies or platform that gather research reports, data news, and analyze from multiple sources and provide them in a single organized place. Let me reconfirm it once again. So consolidator of information are companies or platform. Okay, what they do, this platform gather research reports, they gather the data and they collect the news and analyze from multiple sources and provide them in a single organized place. So few well-known consolidators are which do consolidator of information are Bloomberg. Okay, very famous Bloomberg. They have their own satellite and it is very famous for their Bloomberg terminal. Then we have Thomson Reuters, we have FactSet, we have Morningstar, we have PitchBook, etc. So they publish their own research. Okay, so these are the well-known consolidators of information. Now we have reached the conclusion. So in short, role of a research analyst is that of a selector to do a comprehensive studies of companies, right? So the role of research analyst is to select the best company by doing the comprehensive strategy or by doing the comprehensive study about the company. Then they evaluate the past performance, right? We definitely need to consider the past performance, analyze how the company is expected to perform in the future. We need to see the past performance, we need to see the future aspect, and then they make the recommendation based on analysis whether to buy the security, whether to sell the security, or whether to hold the securities. Thank you so much for giving your precious time. In the next video, we will be covering primary responsibilities of a research analyst. So in this series, step by step, we will cover all the aspect in very simple terms. Thank you so much for your precious time. Have a great day ahead.